Welcome back, ladies and gents. In this video, we're going to configure a DHCP server in Cisco's packet tracer. As such, we will start off by creating a server, which we're going to name DHCP server. Nice and easy. Then we will create a PC, and we are going to create a switch and put it in the middle. Now, we will configure the DHCP server by first setting an IPv4 address for its interface. Let's give it one of 192.168.1.254. And the default subnet mask of /24 works just fine for us. Then we will switch over to services and navigate to DHCP. We need to turn the DHCP service on. And now this is where we get to configure the DHCP service itself. As a default gateway, we can set 192.168.1.1 as the IP address of our network's gateway, even though we're not going to create a network gateway in this video. And as a DNS server, we're going to put Google's DNS server, which is 8.8.8.8. Regarding the scope of the DHCP server, we will say that the starting IP address is going to be 192.168.1.2. Why? Because we have configured 192.168.1.1 as the IP address of our network's default gateway. And then we will, not add the server pool because it already exists. We will just save it instead. Just making sure that, okay, the information has been stored. Great. And so what we're going to do next is connect the DHCP server to the switch with a copper straight through cable. Fast forward the time. And we will do the same between the switch and our PC. Fast forward the time as well. And now if I open up our PC and go to command prompt and run ipconfig, we see that nothing is happening just yet. If I do ipconfig renew, we see that the configuration is now being fetched from the DHCP server as expected, and so this PC has been assigned the IP address of 192.168.1.2, a default subnet mask of /24, a default gateway of 192.168.1.1, and a DNS server of 8.8.8. And so, with an IP address now, I should be able to ping the DHCP server, which I can. And the beauty with the DHCP server is that every other PC that we connect to the network should be able to pick up the same IP configuration from the DHCP server. So as an experiment, we've created a second PC, connected it to the switch, fast forwarded the time, and if I open up the PC and launch a command prompt, I will run ipconfig. We see that it hasn't been assigned any network configuration just yet, but if we do ipconfig/renew, we will see that this time around the PC has been able to get the necessary information from the DHCP server, and this particular machine has been allocated the IP address of 192.168.1.3. That's all about configuring a DHCP server in Cisco's packet tracer. Thank you very much for watching.